may have seen many videos about AI side hustles. Some people are making ebooks, some people are creating faceless YouTube channel, and some people are offering AI services to the business owners. And all of these ideas look so easy online, and it feels like you can start them today and can make money quickly from it. But is it really that easy in real life? Is someone is really making money with AI, or it's just another hype? So I analyzed 7 popular AI side hustles to see which one is really working for beginners without sugarcoating the reality, because I am not going to give you any quick money hack here. It will just waste your time and effort as I wasted when I was starting out. So I don't want it with you guys. But before we start, understand this one important point. When AI was not so popular, people were still creating something and selling it. And the creation part took a lot of time, and selling was another different task. But now AI has created the creation process faster. But selling is the still main challenge. Many creators will show you that they build an app or product with AI and earn lakhs from it. But they will not show you the difficult part of finding people who will actually buy and pay for it. But I'm not going to do it. I will not give you any fake hype in it. So starting with the first side hustle, which is AI digital product. These can be ebook, guide, study resources, Notion templates, planner, or checklist. The idea is simple. Use ChatGPT or Claude to create something, upload it on Gumroad and Etsy, and wait for the sales. But the reality is, creating the product is just one part of the business. Selling it is the main game. And remember, no one will pay you for a generic ebook written by AI if it does not solve any problem. Your product needs to be specific and useful. And even if you create a good problem solving product, if no one will see it, then no one will buy it. So to make it visible to the audience, you need to promote it by creating content on Instagram, Pinterest, YouTube, wherever you want. Remember, creating the product is easy, but the distribution is the main game. This one is easy to start, but it will be difficult to sell if you don't have or if you don't build any audience. Next is print on demand using AI. You can use AI to create designs for t-shirt, mug, poster, phone case, wall art, then upload them on the platforms like Printify, Printful, Quick Ink, or Redbubble. And you also need to have an online store for it, and you can build it using Shopify. And when someone will place the order, the platform will print it and ship it to the customers. But once again, creating design is not the hardest part. The hard part is getting people to notice it and buy it. If you create a random AI design, that would not work because there is already very competition in it. That's why you need to pick a specific audience or specific niche like parents or pet niche to stay specific and avoid some competition. After that, your main job is again to promote it on the social media platforms. So now you can easily understand the people who are giving you the fake hope that you can earn within 1 to 2 months by doing these side hustles. As you can clearly see, getting views and sales takes a lot of time. Third one is faceless AI YouTube channels. Many people think the process is simple. Ask AI to write the script, create the voiceover, add some visuals, and upload the video, and you will start earning. But in reality, YouTube hates the AI soft videos. And you may have also seen YouTube removing many of those AI channels. But to do it safely, you can make educational or value-based videos using AI. AI can still be useful for research, script, voiceovers, and visual ideas, but you still need to add your own explanation, thinking, and storytelling. So it can work, but it is not an automatic income. You still need to have good title, good thumbnail, and a lot of patience. The first 3 ideas was mostly creating product or content, but the next 4 are different because you are solving problem for the clients. The fourth one is AI content services. AI content services means helping creators and businesses to make content faster. For example, a YouTuber may have long videos, but they don't have much time to turn them into short videos. And you can help them for these tasks. This is basically freelancing with AI tools. But before creating content, people also want to do research work. So the fifth one is AI research services. Creators and businesses often need video ideas, competitive research, lead generation, and simple market research. And the AI can help you to organize and collect these information faster. But you still need to check the facts because AI can make mistakes. The client is not paying you for any random AI answers. They are paying you because you have saved them hours of research and gave them information that they can actually use. For example, you can find 20 YouTube video ideas or create a competitive analysis for the small business owners. Now, businesses don't want to waste their time doing the same work every day. That's where AI, chatbot, and automation comes in. This means helping businesses to reduce their repeated work. You can save them time by responding to customers faster by providing them AI chatbots and automation services. But this idea requires learning and understanding how businesses work before you can automate anything. Now this one is growing day by day, which is AI virtual assistant services. A virtual assistant helps small businesses with the small online tasks such as writing emails, organizing information, creating simple posts, preparing the report, or making the spreadsheets. This can be a good starting point because you don't need to be an expert in one big skill from day one, and you can start doing one simple services and improve over time. These all four services are quite connected. Most importantly, you can find clients for these services on the platforms like Fiverr and Upwork, or you can also contact small businesses and other influencers, and you can directly outreach many of them. So after looking on all of these 7 side hustles, one thing is very clear. AI has made the work faster, but it has not made the success easy. Whether you are selling ebooks, creating videos, or helping clients, every idea requires time and effort. You need to learn the skill first, create something useful, find the right people, and earn their trust. The problem is not that these side hustles are fake, but the creators only show the shiny or attractive part of it. They show how quickly AI can create something, but do not talk about how long it would take to get you the first client. And that's why many beginners start with excitement but quit after a few weeks because they expected passive income and they got real work. So before starting any side hustle, ask yourself these 3 simple questions. Who need this? Why will they pay for it? And how I will reach them? If you cannot answer these questions, the problem is not in the AI tool or the side hustle. The problem is that the business idea is not clear yet. Not many people talks about these things because people only want quick money hack. But I have already been through all of these things, so I know the hustle behind it. So subscribe if you want more honest-based value videos on online money and things. And also like if you learned something from this video, and I will see you guys in the next one.